I was recently looking for a boom arm for my Shure SM7B microphone, and after doing some research, I decided to go with the Rode PSA-1 Studio Boom Arm. Now I'm going to be doing an unboxing and just a brief review. Now this is an amazing microphone arm, and you see so many people on YouTube and as well as podcasters who use this microphone arm. Now these are the components that come with the Rode PSA-1. This is the clamp that is super easy to mount to your desk, and you can move it to anywhere on your desk for your own setup. Now this little piece is used if you want to drill a hole and put it directly into your desk for permanent mounting. And this is just a thread screw for other mounting options for your microphone. Now this is actually the spring-loaded arm that is so strong and makes it feel like a very high quality boom arm. Then of course you have the instructions to the Rode PSA-1. Now this is the clamp that goes on to your desk and is very simple to use. You can just tighten it with your hands to make sure it's secure. Now you can move this into several different parts of your desk if you'd like. Now the arm just sits down in the clamp and it holds it right in place. Now, if you notice, I can move this arm in any position that I want, and it just holds in place and it just stays there. It's just amazing how simple yet powerful this arm is. I mean, it looks nice and it's just a sturdy, nice looking boom arm. Now, this is a great arm from Rode, and it works with any XLR mic or even a USB microphone. Let me know what you think in the comments section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.